everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. I am Umanch Agarwal and today we are creating an area calculator using Scratch. In this project, you will calculate the area of different shapes like rectangle, squares, triangles and circles by entering values such as length, width, height or radius. We will use variables and simple math formulas to display accurate results. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to learn more fun coding and creative projects with us. So let's get started and make math easy with Scratch. So now let's start making our area calculator. So first, I will make the backdrops. And before that, don't forget to delete the bright one, that is the cat. And now, go to paint a backdrop. Delete this backdrop too. And let's paint on the backdrop 1. And I will convert to bitmap. Select this fill tool and then take any color do you want and any type of shade. I will take the up and down one. So I will swap because the up color I want the same color. So I swapped. And the downer part I will take purple. Oh, I have my choice. It is already there. Nice. Okay, perfect. And now what I will do is write a text in the sans serif font. And I'll write the text in dark blue color. I'll write the text that is area calculator. Calculator. Okay, done. Now let's go to code. Let's choose a sprite. I will scroll down and take a character from characters 2. Now I will go to costumes. I will take this boy. Okay, so I will delete rest of them. Okay, this boy I need to take and this I will delete. And I will name him Tom. Tom is a nice name. Now first I will choose a sprite called a button. I will take this button 3. Okay, first I will set this, put it here and size will be 80. Now let's go to the buttons costumes. I will take the blue button. Okay, so now I will keep it here and now I will write the text in white color. That is rectangle. Okay, I wrote it. Now here I will type rectangle. Okay, now I will duplicate this, go to its costume and delete this and type square. Okay, now go to codes, put it here below rectangle and now I will change its name to square. Now I will duplicate square. I will delete this, type triangle. Okay, and in the center button and here I will type triangle. Now duplicate this, go to its costume, delete it and the last one we will write circle. Done. Now go to codes. Go to Tom. First we will do a small coding in the top right. You can also take this a little up. Okay, all set. And now let's do the coding at top. So first take a when flag click button. Then take a broadcast message. Take a new message and type start game. Now go to rectangle. Take when flag clicked looks hide. Then go to events, take when this sprite clicked, broadcast, new message, rectangle, and then hide. And put this inside every sprite. Just do it like this, what I am doing. Okay, in the square, there is, in triangle also, and in circle also. And first I will change the name over here to circle. Okay, in circle, here is it. Go to Tom, and now we will make him speak his dialogues. Take when I receive rectangle, instead of rectangle, I will take start game. When I receive start game, first I will take extension called text to speech. So here is it. Now go to looks. Take say hello, and instead of hello, choose your shape. Choose your shape. Then go to text to speech. Take set voice to tenor. If you have took a girl character, then you can take alto. I took a boy character, that is why tenor. Because tenor is a boy sound and alto is a girl sound. Okay, and now take speak hello and copy what have you written. Copy it and then just paste it. Instead of hello, just paste, choose your shape. And now I will go to my blocks. I will make a block named square. Okay, I need to define square. First, go to events. Take when I receive rectangle. Oh, rectangle is only there. So first go to square. Change the broadcast message to square. And now triangle. I will change the broadcast message to triangle. And the last one in the circle, I will change the broadcast message to circle. Okay, now go to Tom. Take when I receive square. Take the my block square. Now we need a variable called length because we need to calculate the area of square. That is why we need a variable called length. So go to make a variable and type length. And this is for all sprites. Click OK. And now you will set length to 0 after broadcast start game. And now we will go to the define square. In the define square, go to sensing and take ask what's your name and wait. We need to ask a question to the user. We are not going to take what's your name. We are going to ask enter the length. Okay. And after that, I will tell you the formula how to calculate the area of square. The formula is length multiplied by length. Means that if I say that the length is 6, then 6 multiplied by 6 is going to be the area of the square. So for that we are going to variables and then take set length to sensing answer. What we will get the answer, the length will be set at the length section over here. And again go to variables and take set. Before that we are going to make one more variable called area, and then set area to length multiply by length, and then say operators join area space is equal to space, and here go to variables and take area and put it and say it for 3 seconds. As I told you the formula that length multiply by length, as you say the length is 8. So 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to what? Is equal to 64. So the area of the square will be 64. And after this, take a broadcast message, that is start game. So I hope you understood this much. And now the next thing we need to do is go to rectangle and just take when I receive square hide, because all the sprites should be hidden when a sprite is clicked. So of square we have done, we are doing in all sprites. In rectangle we are done, and in square we have already taken when the sprite has been clicked, broadcast square hide. And in triangle we need to do when I receive square hide, and we will put this into the circle. Okay, so this is done. Now we are going to duplicate this, put it here and put this one a little down, because we are going to set the variables over here. There are many variables. So when I receive square, and instead of square we will take rectangle now and make a new block from my block called rectangle. Okay, define rectangle, and when I receive rectangle. Okay, so now you need to just duplicate the code of the square, and I will tell you the changes. What do you need to do? And instead of enter the length of side, we will do enter the length. Just click backspace till the length like this, and then set length to answer. Then sensing ask, enter the width. Okay, and then set width to answer, but first we will make the variable called width, and then set width to answer, then set area to length multiply by width, and then say join area is equal to area for 3 seconds and broadcast start game. And now we are going to go to square and put when I receive rectangle hide, and put this in triangle and circle. Here is it. Okay, and then again go to Tom. One thing we need to do is go to variables and set area and width to 0. And now we are going to make a block named circle. Okay, duplicate this, put it up, and instead of square we will put circle. And when I receive circle, and now I will tell you the formula of circle. The formula of circle is pi r square. The value of pi is equal to 3.14 and r is equal to radius, and square means power by 2, means radius multiplied by radius. So how you will get the answer? Like, you have chosen the radius is 1, means 3.14 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3.14, because if you multiply by 1 the same answer will come. So that thing only we are put it in this code. So for that we will make a variable called radius. Okay, and now I will set radius to 0 and I will hide these. Now go to sensing and take ask what's your name, and instead of what's your name we will ask enter the radius. And I think so you might get a question, what is radius? A radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the border is called the radius. So my character Tom will ask enter the radius, and then it will set area to take 2 multiply by, and at the starting take 3.14, that is the pi value 3.14 multiply by radius multiply by radius. After that he will say, and we can duplicate from the rectangle and for 3 seconds and broadcast start game. This much we have done. Now let's see the effect, how it will work.
Choose your shape.
First I will choose square. Okay, I will enter the length of side, that is 5. Okay, area is 20.
Choose your shape.
Okay, so this is done. Okay, again I will play, and this time I will select rectangle. I will enter the length, that is 10, and the width 20. Oh, the area is
Choose your shape.
Perfect. Play again and do the circle. So I will enter the radius to 10.
Choose your shape.
Oh, something is wrong. Oh, we did a mistake. One thing we need to add, that we need to set radius to answer from sensing. And now let's see the effect.
Choose your shape.
I will choose circle and 10 and the radius. Oh,
Choose your shape.
the answer was 314. It's working perfectly. Okay, so now go to rectangle. I will duplicate and put when I receive circle, hide, and this in every sprite except circle and Tom. And let's see if it is there. Okay, it is there, and circle is already set. Now go to Tom and duplicate this and remove this circle, and when I receive triangle, go to my block. I will create one more block called triangle and press OK, and take this triangle block to when I receive triangle. Now I will tell you the formula of triangle. The formula of triangle is 1 by 2, or you can say 0.5 multiplied by base, means the bottom horizontal line, multiplied by height. Height means the bottom line to the top point. So copy the same thing of the circle because it is almost same as the circle, and there are a little changes, and 1 by 2 you can say as 0.5 also. So we will take enter the base and go to variables, make a new variable called base, and I will set base to 0 and set base to answer, and keep this aside, don't delete it. Duplicate this, put it down, then enter the height, and I will make a new variable called height, and then set height to answer, and here set height to 0. And now attach this to the code and set area to 0.5 multiply by base multiply by height, and say join area is equal to area for 3 seconds and broadcast start game. At the end we have put broadcast start game so that program will continuously run. Like one chance has been done, after few seconds it will repeat again. Okay, one last thing we need to do is go to rectangle and all the sprites and take when I receive triangle hide, when I receive triangle hide, and when I receive triangle hide. This one is for rectangle, this one for square, this one for triangle, and this one for circle. And last two things is, first go on rectangle, take when I receive start game, then show, or else when we will play again it will not show. And put this in every sprite. And now you should have 6 blocks in every button. Now the last thing you need to do is go to the backdrops. Take when flag clicked, go to sounds, we will take a background sound, go to loops and take your own sound, and I will take dance slow mo, this sound, and I will make it softer because its graph is too high, so it's feeling like it's seriously very loud, so I will make it softer. Okay, so this is nice. When flag clicked, take a forever loop and then take your sound inside the forever loop. Now let's go and see it on big screen. 3, 2, 1, go.
Choose your shape.
Okay, I will choose my shape. That is, I will enter the area. That is 12. Oh.
Choose your shape. Choose your shape.
Now I will take a square. And this round shape. Oh, 100.
Choose your shape.
It's working perfectly. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.